What follows is a pretty common call that you'll get in building maintenance or as an HVAC tech. Now, each path will take, or each field will take a different approach to the similar problem, and obviously there's many scenarios. This was today's
Welcome back to Kung Fu
troubleshooting
Maintenance,
journey.
where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
Right at the subscribe button.
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released
Welcome
for
back
you.
to Kung Fu Maintenance. Well, got an AC down and probably gonna hit about 104 today. It's this one here. Oh, let's see what's going on. Pop it open. It's maybe about 100 now, so it's gonna get much hotter. Supposed to hit 117 by Friday, so I'll take it today. Haven't pulled the disconnect yet. This one right here. Go ahead and do that. Let's take a look here. A little humid today. It could be worse. Let's take a look. Let's see. It's got a, looks like a Tecumseh compressor. Compressor's not hot, that's good. Wiring looks okay there. It's got a 5-minute delay. Okay, discharge. Capacitors. Fan motor, fan baffle, that all looks alright. All looks okay. So, what's going on? Check our fuses. Doesn't sound like the contactor is sucked in. Let's have a look here. We'll do a volts AC test and see. The contactor uses low voltage on the side to pull in the contacts. Voltage pulled, so. And if the contacts are pulled in, then the continuity test
If the contactor's pulled in,
from the bottom to the top
zero.
will show continuity.
If you test both sides, we'll know if the contactor's working across both sides, and it is.
Contactor's pulled in, so we must have either blown fuses or a trip breaker to the side. Let's check our fuses. Fuse 1 is good. Got a fuse. It's bad. We got one bad fuse here. And checking the wiring. Everything looks okay. Check inside the contactor or the compressor leads. Take a peek inside here. Theory. There we go. It looks okay there. Like one lead was replaced at one point. Alright, well, let's change this fuse and see what's going on. I recently just replaced all the capacitors and tested them all, so I'm pretty sure I'm okay there. So, let's see here, looking here at the, it's better to put these under the deal. Looks like the sun's gotten to them a little bit. Looks like it could have actually shorted out right there.
wouldn't hurt to wrap some electrical tape around the individual wires and make them better, make the wiring more insulated, stronger.
Still live. Alright, so we're going to replace this one fuse here. Go from there. I believe I got a fuse here. Question is it good? This is the bad one right here. Kind of loose there, so that could be the problem. Tighten those up. Yeah, nice and snug now. Okay, we're ready to fire it up. See how it goes. You're good. Here's hoping. Started right up. Compressor sounds a little odd, but it's alive. Nice and cold. Looks like we're back in the mix. Got to run in here, probably check inside, make sure maybe the door hatch came open or something along that lines. And the unit could have froze up inside and caused the compressor to overheat. So we could run down this one follow up inside, make sure everything's good there. I wanted to get this part out of the way early in the morning, make sure we're running. And we could also check pressures, but it's nice and cold. Everything was going good before this, so I'll leave it at that. I mean, it's building maintenance, so it's a little bit different than traditional AC tech mechanical take. I'm here on site if something doesn't work out right, I'm the one that gets to go back to it, so. Stay up on all this stuff to keep things running good. Alright, I'll check it inside, make sure the hatch is secure, and that'll be that. Stay cool out there. So here it is inside, nice and cold at the suction line. Hatch is secured. And the unit's been running for about 35 minutes now. Just wanted to verify there's no ice. It's good to go. No further. A quick search of my YouTube channel. You should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.